Welcome back with me, Anissa Pratiwi. I will deliver viral news on social media. I'm currently 4 of my college. There is Rama Yunita Pratama, Jessica Simbolon, Siti Hasanah Nasution, and the last, Resmayani Pelawi. The first news will be delivered by Jessica Simbolon.
Monggo aku Cipiosumida. I got you guys. Alright, that's what must have reminded you of something, right guys? Yes, Squid Game. Lately, social media has been buzzing with talk of the Squid Game movie. Well, we can see the people of Indonesia are currently the Squid Game fever. Yes, we can see that the Squid Game soldiers are guarding the CPNS Kemenkumham test in Surabaya. For more details, let's see the following speed.
The implementation of the Basic Competency Selection SKD test for CPNS Kemenkumham East Java on the 12th day Wednesday, October 2021 attracted public attention because the great character from the Squid Game series, Pink Soldier, is here to watch over the participants. The head of the East Java Ministry of Law and Human Regional Office, Chris Mono, said that his party wanted to create a different atmosphere in the selection of CPNS. The Pink Soldiers are humans who dress up in uniforms and hold long, barreled weapons like the Squid Game series. The 5 Pink Soldiers began to arrive while the participants were waiting in the courtyard of the University of 17 Agustus 1945, Surabaya.
Okay, thank you Jessica for the news that you explained. The next news will be delivered by Rama Yunita Pratama.
Encountery Banyak Island District Aceh Singgil Regency Aceh.
The local community said the Malidong Namai Kanon that after being arrested by Satpol PP on Tuesday, October 90, 2021, the height of the peace and order relationship between Satpol PP and Wilayatul Hisbah Aceh Singgil Abdullah J. Deni reporter 10 his member Luxin Kana. According to him, some of the members held the want to support the dog and also keep watch because the dog community to IT and the wound was only attention to dog can so that it could be caught. However, the community continued to struggle. Tipper Abdullah gave a nutban but was still given a how to breathe and was given mineral water to drink along the way. In addition, three was and other family dog was also recalled by Queen. She was removed from the basket. The Kanungi and on family dog server head of Satpol PP and Wilayatul Hisbah Aceh Singgil District, Mr. Ahmad Yani, sentenced his party down to dog and the risk of statutory institution and the many Islam sub-district. According to him, signed 2019, the sub-district had up many Islam and also a latent possibility. Keeping down Torsi location mission to Aceh government letter number 515C 2266 that 12 February 2019 regarding the implementation of halal tourists in Aceh, the possibility of bringing out carrying dog and fish and the endangered animal and tourists. In addition, the presence of dog is also troubling because the after interaction with the government of history and Satpol PP is at the request of the sub-district abusive because the sub-district hand letter and customary agreements are not hidden.
Singgil Rama Yunita Pratama reports.
Okay, thank you Rama for your news from Aceh Singgil. The next news will be delivered by Rismayani Pelawi.
Okay, thank you Anissa. The video of the persecution carried out by Nunukan police chief against member in North Kalimantan has gone viral on social media. This video of the Nunukan police chief AKBPSA kicking and hitting members from the Nunukan police meeting room has gone viral on social media. Viral video on October 21, 2021. In the video, the Nunukan police chief was recorded suddenly kicking and hitting a police officer who was about to help a woman move a table. As a result of this incident, the Nunukan police chief also underwent an examination by the North Kalimantan Police Program. AKBPSA has also been deactivated. The SL Brigadier will also be questioned by the North Kalimantan Police from spreading the video of the persecution. From Nunukan, North Kalimantan, Rismayani reported.
Okay, thank you Rismayani for news from Nunukan, North Kalimantan. Okay, the last news will be delivered by Siti Hasanah Nasution.
Okay, Anissa, thank you. Here with me, Siti Hasanah Nasution, I will share that news that Jonathan Christie has won the 2021 Thomas Cup Olympic. Indonesia won the Thomas Cup, beating China in the final. Jonathan Christie rival one second of the red and white team's victor. The final of the Thomas Cup 2020 Indonesia vs China took place at Ceres Arena, Aarhus, Denmark, on Sunday, 17 October night with Indonesia closed with a convincing 3-0 win. Jonathan Christie became one of the Indonesian players whose energy was drained at the Thomas Cup performance. Jojo, as his now, played a total of 376 minutes. In the BYF official website, Jojo's stamina was the most drained in the knockout phase. Jojo played 75 minutes against Ngezi Wong, then 100 minutes against Anders Antonsen, and against Lee Si-Feng with 80 minutes. Anthony Ginting, Fajar, and Jonathan Christie were able to subvert their opponent after winning the last time in 2002. Now Indonesia is bringing home the Thomas Cup. Jonathan Christie replied, "The cookies of the Indonesian badminton team that emphasizes the issue of stamina to fight in the Thomas Cup. Hard training became the main food of the players. Before we went to Sudirman Cup and Thomas Cup, we know the schedule. We know we had back-to-back matches. The can encouraged me and the others to train harder, especially to improve our physical abilities," said Jojo. Therefore, Jonathan Christie also forgot his physique and stamina. Evidently, he was able to perform optimal against his opponents. Pematang Siantar, Siti Hasanah report.
Thank you, Siti Hasanah, for news. Viewers, we have to end our meeting this morning. I'm Anissa Pratiwi. I'm leaving. Stay healthy. See you again and good morning.